Hi, my name is the Greatest Keith, and this is a typewriter I got for a quarter at an estate sale. And this is the Smith Corona SD250. It was stored with the dust cover on, and it still has its original power cord, so this thing's pretty clean. Let's hope it works. Looking at the back, I don't see a year made, but the book says it was printed in 1986, so it's probably right around then. And now who's ready for that moment of truth? I know I am. Well, at least there's life. I'll load in a piece of paper, and this little screen does have stuff on it, so at least that works. This was one of the most fun quarters I've ever spent. And here's me typing in a really strange angle, and there will be a typo, so stay tuned for that typo. I'm embarrassed. And now for your little Orphan Annie secret Ovaltine coded message. Did you see that typo there? I know I did. Anyway, thank you for watching, and follow for more. Yay, typewriters!